Below item number 17, Milord, the main case listed as serial number 17, Milord. This petition filed by the one political party, which names are the Youth for Equality, Milord.
Youth for
Or
Equality.
equality, and the person who has given the affidavit in support of petition is the sitting professor in the Sagar University.
He is a professor.
Yes, Milord.
Okay.
And Milord, he has challenged the policy how this party is affected.
So professor also comes under the youth. What is the age of the
No,
professor?
but Milord, he is holding the public post, government servant. How he can become the member and secretary of the political
He is a
party?
professor in where? Where he is a professor? Sagar
Central University, Sagar, Milord.
Okay.
He himself stated an affidavit, Milord.
Okay. Sagar University. So the affidavit with that.
Yes, Milord.
Affidavit to the petition. No, वकालतनामा नहीं सर. अच्छा ये तो petition के next होगा. जहाँ petition खत्म होती है वहाँ next. Affidavit. Professor Grish Kumar Singh, Secretary of Youth, age 46. Okay.
हेडिंग में भी लिखा है यूटीडी सागर, प्रोफेसर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, डॉक्टर हरि सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी.
And he is seeking what?
Look, there are two petitions by, I am the petitioner, Lord Sanjay Pankaj.
This impugned order is 2nd September 2021, passed by respondent number 1.
Right.
Who is the respondent number 1?
The state.
State. Yes.
And the issue is, my lord,
Come to that, just impugned order. Sure. This is filed by
it's a PIL.
Uttar Pradesh Youth Patrol के आरक्षण संबंधी 11,000 के लोक सेवा और भर्ती के में आरक्षण का 14 से सर्टिफिकेट रोकी से प्रभावित है. उक्त संशोधन में प्रावधानिक अन्य पुस्तकों के आरक्षण रूप से बढ़ा के ये जरूरी चुनौती जाकर मान्य मान्य पिछले 25 द्वारा अधिक दिया गया जिसकी प्रतिक्रिया इसके द्वारा विवेक पिछले महानिदेशक में कोई कार्रवाई करने का नष्ट करें. महाधिवक्ता के उक्त विधिक अभिमत. ये इसका क्या मतलब है लास्ट वाले का?
Lord, what have happened, I'll just.
Milord, I pointed out the crystal clear, Milord, the fact.
This is filed by this is as a PIL.
But,
Okay.
and the issue is, my lord,
So just a minute. But PIL तो कोई फाइल कर सकता है उसमें very the part.
Milord.
PIL can be filed by anyone.
But my main objection is on the ground of maintainability.
Sorry.
My main objection, how this petition is maintainable as a PIL, but the person and the party, how
Party.
political party,
Who?
Youth for Equality.
ये political party है.
is also registered as a.
मैं पेज नंबर 32 में देखें सर, पेज नंबर 32.
Youth for Equality.
यस मिलॉर्ड, भारत निर्वाचन आयोग सचिवालय में एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में रजिस्टर्ड है. पेज नंबर 32.
अच्छा सुनो, पर इश्यू विल रिमेन सेम. इसको अगर जाने भी देते हैं तो टोटल आर 84 केसेस.
जी
देयर आर टोटल 84 केसेस.
जी.
तो इसको जाने भी देते हैं अगर मान लो.
हाँ.
इश्यू विल रिमेन सेम.
No, Milord. This petition may kindly be dismissed on the ground of maintainability, Milord.
Yes, who is
And-
for the petition?
I am for the petition. My lord, we just have the order of 4/8/21.
No, but this is in a political party. Have you joined?
My lord, we just see, Lord, my lords have considered the issue of locus and rejected their claim, Lord. They keep arguing orally time and again.
And I also pray to Direction Millard to remove him from the post
Just
and initiate the inquiry.
is there any bar to the professor, advocates, chartered accountant not to be part of the political party?
Yes, Millard, CCA rule में स्पष्ट है, they are not, they cannot make a member of any political party, and they are also not eligible to hold any post in the political party, but he is the secretary of that party.
He's the secretary. So
Secretary.
University will take the action.
May can be direct, Millard.
So we'll ask the university whether they are aware about this fact and if
At
that is
present,
whether it is permissible or not.
At present, he is
I got
working
the
in the Ghasidas University, Chhattisgarh,
4823.
This Sagar University is at this Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. This is the Central University. And as per information,
Is this a writ petition? 18105/2021. It is submitted by the council. You are for
I am for intervene and I want to file the
Intervene.
case. Yes,
I
sir.
have no application for intervention, my lord, so far in my matter.
okay, leave it. It is
Entire application is uploaded in the website.
it is pointed out that the petitioner Youth for Equality is a political party, registered political party, at the party, and has filed on behalf of while by the professor.
Girish Kumar Singh.
क्या नाम है?
Girish Kumar Singh.
गिरीश कुमार सिंह, प्रोफेसर इन सागर यूनिवर्सिटी मध्य प्रदेश, who is a government university.
Central
It's a
government.
central
Central government.
Central university. Thus, the said professor is a government employee in the central university. Central university is a party in this one.
No, Millard.
Area of the Sagar University of Madhya Pradesh is included as RESPA number, last definition, RESPA number so and so. The petitioner is directed to amend the petitioner within 2 days, and thereafter, the registry is directed to serve notice without process to said university, and on receipt of the notice, university shall file an affidavit whether the professor named above of the said university is can be a secretary of Youth for Equality, which is a political party.
And
My
recently,
lord,
this
kindly have the order of 4823 also for a moment. In this case,
For a
4823.
yes,
Because they raised this objection, my lord, with regard to locus
just a minute.
in para 2.
Para two, yes. Yes. Yes, please.
In fact, para 1.1, my lord, may see.
Para, yes,
My lord, learned counsel for the state has objected to the maintainability of the petition on the ground, and the issue essentially relates to service matter which ought not to be agitated in PI. It is further objected by the state that the petitioner has no locus to raise the issue there. It is argued by the state that the interim relief as per order dated 29/2021 has already been granted, and therefore there is no question of praying for interim relief. Reliance is based on the judgment decision in the case of state of Uttarakhand versus so and so, to emphasize that a PIL ought not to be entertained casually without verifying the credentials of petitioner and genuineness of the cause shown. It is seen from the first order passed on in the case on 16/9/21 that notices were directed to be issued, and since the learned Advocate General accepted his notice, no further direction was passed for payment of process fee. Thereafter, this case came up on 29/2021 when it was directed to be listed along with WP number 5901 of 2019, and further direction that interim relief granted earlier shall continue till the next date of hearing. Since no interim relief was granted earlier on 16/9/2021, the question of continuation of the same on 29/2021 does not arise, and therefore actually the prayer for interim relief has neither been considered nor granted in the case cited. Thus, this court proceeds to decide the question of interim relief based on pleadings and arguments of the learned counsel for the rival parties. Now, locus plus. As regards objection of locus of the petitioner raised by the state is concerned, this court, in the face of the fact that the decision in the case of Jayashree Lakshman Rao Patil versus Chief Minister and others, 2021 8 SCC, page 1, originated from number of PILs and the fact that the cause raised in this PIL prima facie appears to relate to breach of 50% cap fixed for reservation affects a large number of persons. It prima facie appears that public cause raised therein is genuine. However, this court leaves it open for the state to raise this objection at the final stage. My lord, then my lords dealt with all the objections. My lord, and
No, we are not on the other issue,
My lord.
other petition.
My lord.
So that is there, we detailed notice pass. We are on this WP 18105.
E.
My lord, this is the matter in which this order is passed. And the raised by the state at the inception itself.
No, but that
And
is,
my lords,
that is objection raised for the reason, because this is he can be a secretary of the political party
That will be
and
answered.
file the petition on behalf of that party.
my lord,
That
that
is,
will be answered.
that is the only issue that.
My lord, the issue here is, my lord, in
So
this
we'll see thereafter.
is
Because
slightly
that-
different from the others is what I'm trying to
Yes.
say.
And my second argument is that, my lord, the order with my friend, my lord, 4/8/2023, the Advocate General has given the opinion for implementing only 14% reservation cap hold 13%.
Yes.
My lord, the recently Honorable Apex Court passed the order in reference to the Chhattisgarh case, my lord, the entire selection process complete according with the reservation policy subject to final outcome of the writ petition.
Correct.
This is the order, my lord. So I am also seeking the same prayer, my lord. कि 27% reservation may kindly permit to implement in all recruitment subject to final outcome of the writ petition pending before this honorable court as well as the honorable Supreme Court, my lord. The state file the transfer petition, my lord. Only eight petition has been transferred.
This issue has already reached to the Supreme Court.
Yes, my lord. This is the
So
order.
therefore, if any direction issued by the Supreme Court, that
So-
can be implemented.
Honorable Supreme Court has a specific direct if any no interim order, the Honorable High Court can decide the matter pending before Honorable High Court. This is the order, my lord.
Where is it?
दो कापी दो है
But in this order, my lord, you just said it, there is no ground of transfer, so the matter is.
This is Pragya Sharma and others.
Yes, my lord.
Pragya Sharma, my lord, is also, my lord, I'm carrying.
He's Pragya Sharma. You are saying.
That's a totally different issue, my lord. I'll just point out, my lord.
Yes. What was that?
My lord, the issue is that in the case that my lord was presently dealing with, my lord, initially, my lord, when the petitions were filed, there was an interim order passed which remain state. Now, thereafter, the state government came up with a circular that this order will be applicable only to those recruitments where the cases are pending before the Honorable High Court and where there are interim.
Where?
Not the state government issued a circular
Okay.
that this order will not apply to all recruitments, but will be limited only to those cases which are pending before my lord, and where in respect of those recruitments, interim stays have been granted.
Right.
That is what I challenged in WP 18105, which my lords were dealing with, where the interim order was read.
Right.
And my lords came to the conclusion that when the interference has been done, dealing with the constitutional validity of the basic amendment which was sought to be made, then it would apply to all recruitments, all admissions, everything. That is how interim orders were granted in
Right.
that case.
Right.
But subsequently, the state government came up with another circular, my lord, saying that once they were not able to dislodge that my lord's orders, they came up with another circular that they will be preparing recruitment only on the basis of 87% of the total number of votes. For the remaining 13%, because there is a dispute whether they would go to OBC candidates or to unreserved candidates, they would be preparing two separate lists. Now, in those two separate lists, one list would be there for unreserved candidates and one list would be there for OBC candidates, which they will open after the conclusion of this litigation.
Right.
Now, that is under challenge in Pragya Sharma, saying that that is an effort to defeat my lord's orders. What is happening now, the 2019 selectees of PSC, which reached up to the stage of interview, still do not know, my lord, whether they have found place in the select list or not. So therefore, we have made a prayer, my lord, that the state must be put under obligation to declare the result of those points. Now, my lord passed two orders, my lord, in those two. My lord, we just had Pragya Sharma for us.
No, but if there is no stay from the Supreme Court. we
No.
can-
No statement.
So
No
then we can decide the.
And my lord, this is the
statement.
also order of the Yogesh Kumar Thakur, this my lord.
Can certainly be taken.
May I make a
Justice,
suggestion? Lord, insofar as the challenge to the circular of the state in the Pragya Sharma case is concerned, my lord, regarding the revising a method, my lord, that 87% appointments will be made, 13% of both the categories will be kept on hold and subject to final outcome of the Honorable Supreme Court. My lord, that circular was put to challenge before this Honorable Court, my lord, and the validity of that circular has been affirmed by lordships, my lord. Now, against that order, also the SLP is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. So, insofar as that mechanism which the state devised, my lord, is concerned, that insofar as this court is concerned, my lord, that issue has been settled, my lord. We have filed reply in his case, my lord. My lord, I have a submission to make, my lord. Insofar as the validity, the main issue is concerned, my lord, there were a bunch of cases, my lord. The transfer petitions are filed, my lord, as against, my lord, the cases wherein the validity of 27% is under challenge, my lord. Now, my lord, the 8 of the matters, my lord, the main matter was Ashita Dubey, my lord, and there were 8 other matters, my lord, that have already been transferred to the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, and they are pending, my lord. So, insofar merits of the case are concerned, my lord, the issue is already pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, what the clarification the Honorable Supreme Court has given in the case of Pragya Sharma, my lord, that does not touch to the validity of the, my lord, 27% reservation, lord.
No, but listen, but the Pragya Sharma approach in which matter?
Lord, Pragya Sharma independently approached the Honorable Supreme Court
Independent approach.
seeking transfer of this very petition, my lord. Lord, but it appears, my lord, that the complete facts were not brought.
Right, transfer of the petition.
Right.
Issue is same, he is appealing for the Pragya Sharma.
Lord, issue
Issue-
of 27%.
She did not challenge 27.
No.
What she
Pragya Sharma challenges the circular of the state which directs for appointment of 87%, my lord, keeping on hold 13% from the OBC and 13% of the unreserved on hold, subject to the issue of 27% being decided finally by the Honorable Supreme Court or by the Supreme Court. So, Lord, what my submission is, Lord, that the matter, Lord, is already pending, Lord, insofar as merits of the case are concerned, 27%, Lord. Lord, the state has also engaged, Lord, Senior Counsel Mr. Tushar Mehta in this case, Lord, he is engaged in this OBC matter. So, Lord, what I submit, Lord, that let the matters be, Lord, I am praying for some time, Lord, that so that I can seek instructions, Lord, I can approach the Senior Counsel, Lord, and
My lord.
let the matter, Lord, whether it can be heard over here, Lord, because my first submission would be, Lord, Lord, that since the main matter is seized off by the Honorable Supreme Court, Lord, this deserves to be deferred.
What we can do,
Could I,
just we'll find out the solution so that you can get the clarification from Supreme Court. We'll put these matters for final reading, right?
Right.
And you can get the clarification of the Supreme Court saying the court has listed these cases for, right? It is to be clarified whether to proceed in these matters or not. If there is any say, so we'll hold our hands. Otherwise, we'll proceed.
Lord, what I'm saying, Lord, that order can always be passed, Lord.
If the
Sharma's
state-
case, Lord, does not deal with the 27.
Whatever it is. If something is there, you can get the
my lord,
clarification.
could I point out just two orders in
Lord,
Pragya Sharma?
If Supreme Court will say put on hold, certainly we will not proceed further.
Lord, my submission may be taken.
Listen, in this case, very case, they said you proceed. There is
No, this is not. Pragya Sharma approached court, my lord, because she is not challenging 27% reservation. Lord, she is challenging the validity of the circular.
total.
It is also related to 27.
No, it is not related to
Yes.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
It is not related to validity of 27.
87, 13 is
Does not challenge the validity.
complete link with the 27% reservation. The
गवर्नमेंट के आर्गुमेंट में समझ में आता है गवर्नमेंट स्वयं भी जो ये नहीं
इसमें
चाहती है
सुनो,
तो
एक सेकंड,
लेकर सरकार
एक
की शंका है।
एक मिनट, प्रज्ञा शर्मा में जो मुझे बताया अभी कि उसमें ये कहा कि जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने कहा कि 13%
वो होल्ड पे रखे
होल्ड पे रखे और 14%
87% को रखे
ठीक है, ये उसको चैलेंज किया,
उसको चैलेंज
उसको चैलेंज
नाउ माय लॉर्ड में जस्ट सीक टू ऑर्डर
नहीं,
जहां वैलिडिटी है, वैलिडिटी ऑफ दिस दैट टू बी डिसाइडेड बाय दिस कोर्ट,
Lord, that has already been decided.
वैलिडिटी
वो सर्कुलर भी चैलेंज हुआ, सर्कुलर
No, 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 he is saying the wrong fact, my lord, that circular.
Don't interact like this. अगर वो सर्कुलर जो आपका जो
87% वाला है।
लेजिस्लेशन है 27% वाला
जी
27% लेजिस्लेशन
जी
दैट इज अंडर चैलेंज
that is not in challenge under challenge in Pragya's case.
Another case. Another.
Otherwise it is challenge in these 184 cases are there.
another case where it is challenged before this court or before
Before this time.
Bunch was initially listed, lot of cases that is under challenge.
इसी में चैलेंज किया ना
इसी में चैलेंज है
इसी
सर.
bunch में cases
इस बंच में है but प्रज्ञा शर्मा में वो है।
Another petition, youth for
इसी में
equality.
चैलेंज किया तो इसमें देयर आर टू सेट्स ऑफ वन इज लेजिस्लेशन अनदर इज यू पुट ऑन होल्ड 13%. तो देयर आर टू इश्यूज सेपरेट विल डू. तो इसमें जो 13% का है और 14% वो किन किन केसेस में है हम दो इसको सेपरेट कर देते हैं.
My lord,
that is
my
like
little
that-
submission is that, my lord. ये जो बोल रहे हैं कि हम 13% ओबीसी को होल्ड कर रहे हैं और 13% यूआर को, तो 13% यूआर को होल्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, 13% होल्ड कर रहे हैं केवल जनरल क्लास कैंडिडेट्स को. दोज हु आर नॉट बिलोंग टू एससी एसटी ओबीसी उनको होल्ड कर रहे हैं. उनकी कट ऑफ एससी से भी डाउन है सर.
नहीं, उनको होल्ड थोड़ी तो करना तो दोनों करना है.
नहीं दोनों ही कर
जनरल के नाम पे लोग नहीं. यूआर कैंडिडेट मेरिट के बेस पे नहीं है सर, उसमें मेरिट के बेस पे नहीं है.
ओबीसी एंड जनरल
अनरिजर्व
अनरिजर्व तो दोनों कर रहे हैं ना.
दोनों 13 दोनों
अनरिजर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं सर, ये अनरिजर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये सामान्य वर्ग के लोगों को कर रहे हैं.
दोनों नहीं दोनों का 13-13 कर रहे हैं ना जिसकी फेयर में
नहीं, सभी में नहीं है सर, गलत बोल रहे हैं, सभी में नहीं है. अभी जो पिटीशन है इसमें लिंक है सर.
कहाँ पे आपको कोई डिसीजन है कि दोनों को होल्ड करेंगे.
My lord, इसमें क्या हुआ?
That is filed in Pragya.
लिस्ट बना रहे हैं ये यूआर का 13% ओबीसी का, तो ओबीसी में तो ओबीसी के हैं. यूआर में किसी भी मतलब कि ओबीसी एससी एसटी को शामिल नहीं किए, इसको एक्सक्लूड किए हुए हैं. तो यूआर जो 13% यूआर का होल्ड कर रहे हैं उस लिस्ट में किसी भी रिजर्व कैटेगरी को शामिल नहीं किए.
जो सर जो एक मिनट जो 13% आप यूआर का करेंगे यूआर में खाली यूआर थोड़ी आएगा उसमें बाकी कैटेगरी भी आएगी.
नहीं, दैट हैज बीन रिजर्व टू जनरल
वो
क्लास.
भी तो आएगी
that is not reserved for general class.
जो मेरिट पे रहेगी उसमें जनरल आई एससी आई एसटी बीसी जो भी आएगा वो रहेगा.
Milord, this issue is already pending before the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Hari Shankar Barodia, and notices has been issued, but the state has not filed any response. They have reserved, unreserved seats has been reserved to the general class candidate. The cutoff of the UR category less with the SC category, put on hold and 13%. And they are impliedly implemented the communal reservation.
But therefore, we'll distinguish two sets of petitions. One is challenging the legislation, another is that 13 and 14% what is to be there. तो दोनों के अलग अलग करके और साथ साथ लगा लेते हैं.
And there is a third
Sir,
set also,
अभी-
third set,
Third set,
which is
Third-
implementation of the 27% reservation.
implementation. So that is legislation.
Well, they are not challenging the legislation, they are seeking implementation of it.
That will go in.
Milord,
Another is implementation.
Yes, that
तो
is,
listen, अगर वो जो चैलेंज है उसको डिसाइड करेंगे तो
तो
ultimately-
अपने आप होना है,
तो
अपने
दो ही सेट इसके तीन सेट बनाएंगे.
आप। मेरा my one
अच्छा,
prayer,
अच्छा, इसमें एक सेट अब तीन सेट में आप इसमें जरा असिस्ट करो कोर्ट को कि कौन कौन सी पिटीशन है उसका एक चार्ट बना के दो आप. ठीक है. और इसमें हम लिस्ट आफ्टर 2 weeks बाय दैट टाइम यूनिवर्सिटी रिप्लाई विल आल्सो कम. और उसमें चार्ट बनाइए कि कौन कौन से सेट पिटीशंस का किस किस में क्या है.
स्टेट का रिप्लाई सर उसमें फाइल है,
इसमें भी है. हम तो कह रहे हैं 3 सेट बनाओ.
3 सेट.
3 सेट के ये रीटैग करके अलग अलग कर देंगे. उसमें जैसे 10-10, 15-15 जो भी होंगे तो उसको पुट एंड कैटेगरी आल्सो विल बी मेंशन कि दिस बिलोंग्स टू दिस कैटेगरी, दिस बिलोंग टू दिस कैटेगरी.
But
So that will be fine.
my request is that Milord, the interim direction may kindly be issued in light of the order of the Honorable Apex Court, Milord.
What is that?
In the भैया स्टेट आपको काफी देना चाहिए थी, हमसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे
दो ना
हैं स्टेट.
ये तो बिठा दो 2-3-4 कॉपी और रख दे. उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ये छोटी
एक तो स्पेशल काउंसिल बनाया सर, ना तो इन्होंने एजी ऑफिस की आईडी दी है अभी तक पूरी. जी सर.
मेंटेन द डेकोरम. दिस नॉट द
यस मिनट, सॉरी.
And what is this copy? Just one copy. Experience or with petition, petition is not about the woman as a system of stress. State of the case. नहीं छत्तीसगढ़ में भी अप्लाई किया से
यस सर 58% अभी इन्फोर्समेंट में है सर वहाँ
विदेश का प्रदेश स्टेट लो और अपना
They don't refer to the orders from Maharashtra, where there is no interim order, the matter is finally settled by the Supreme Court in Justice Lakshman Rao Pata. They don't refer to the matter from Bihar, where the validity has been declared and the legislation has been declared to be ultra. They just carry one interim order.
same legislation.
Same legislation from Maharashtra, identical legislation.
Maharashtra
And Bihar.
Bihar has been certified by the Supreme Court.
Finally decided by the Maharashtra.
Sorry?
Bihar was certified by the High Court. High Court.
Bihar certified pending with the
Supreme Court, no interim orders there, Lord.
Okay.
And in case of Maharashtra, it was allowed from the High Court. The legislation was declared ultra vires upon by the Supreme Court by a detailed order in Justice Lakshman Rao Pata, which now holds the field and which we will refer to before about.
In Maharashtra also the same
Yes,
legislation.
same issue.
they are referring the high court judgment
No, no,
the honorable
Constitutional bench. Constitutional bench
Millard.
of the Honorable Supreme Court,
Millard.
JST Patil. That is the Maratha reservation matter, where each and every point has been discussed in detail regarding that 50% cap is mandatory, it cannot be breached. And they have also discussed regarding the population ratio. For example, in Madhya Pradesh, because of the population of 52% of OBC, they wanted that it should reach 50%.
Right.
Same issue came in Maratha reservation in Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court allowed it, but then ultimately the Honorable Supreme Court consistent way, affirming again what was reiterated in the earlier matter in 1992 matter, where the Honorable Supreme Court clearly said it. So in Maratha reservation, that is the latest judgment, everything has been resolved matter. Then it cannot reach 50%.
judgment of the Jayalakshmi Rao Patil Millard, the honorable Bombay High Court had affirmed the reservation Millard. This matter traveled to the honorable apex court. The honorable apex court is specific held कि जो ओबीसी जातियां इसमें ऐड करके रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है, स्टेट इज नॉट एम्पावर्ड टू ऐड दोज कास्ट। इसके बाद संविधान में 105वां संविधान संशोधन करके सारे स्टेट को पावर दिए गए हैं कि जो पिछड़े वर्ग की जातियां हैं उनको ऐड और रिमूव करने का। ये 101वें संविधान संशोधन के तहत पार्लियामेंट ने ये पावर अपने हाथ में ले लिए थे और इसको फिर रेस्टोर किया गया। इस ग्राउंड पे जजमेंट है कि जो जातियां इसमें ओबीसी में जोड़ के रिजर्वेशन एनहांस किया गया है ओबीसी का, इसमें प्रॉपर वर्क भी नहीं हुआ है, कोई कमीशन की रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है और इन जातियों को ऐड करने के लिए इनकी जो 11 क्राइटेरिया मंडल कमीशन ने फिक्स किए हैं उस पर कोई वर्क नहीं हुआ है। ये उसमें मेन है। 50% की जहां तक बात है तो 50% रिजर्वेशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि 50% से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता। ओनली वन ऑफ द जजमेंट 1963 में बालाजी वाले केस में पहली बार ये आया 50% वाली बात, और उसको इंदिरा साहनी के जजमेंट में डिस्टिंग्विश किया है पैरा 830 कि इट कैन बी एक्सीड लुकिंग टू दी फार फ्लंग एंड रिमोट एरियाज। मध्य प्रदेश में 20 डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्राइबल नोटिफाइड है। पॉपुलेशन रेशियो यहाँ पे 88.2% SC ST OBC की आबादी मध्य प्रदेश में है। 50% रिजर्वेशन, 14% रिजर्वेशन केवल ओबीसी को दिया गया था, 20% ST को, 16% SC को। ये पहले से था। जब 92 में जजमेंट आया इंदिरा साहनी का तो मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने 50% से ज्यादा ना हो इसलिए 14% रिजर्वेशन ओबीसी को दे दिया गया। मध्य प्रदेश में पिछड़ा वर्ग आयोग था महाजन कमीशन। महाजन कमीशन ने 48.8% पॉपुलेशन ओबीसी की बताते हुए 35% की रिकमेंडेशन की थी गवर्नमेंट कि कम से कम 35% ओबीसी को रिजर्वेशन दिया जाए, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ने नहीं किया। ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजमेंट का हवाला देते हुए 2014 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पिटीशन फाइल हुई थी, उसमें नोटिस जारी किए गए थे कि ओबीसी की ओवरऑल जो कंट्री में पॉपुलेशन है वो 52.8% है। चूंकि ये डाटा 1931 के लिए है मंडल साहब ने, तो इस पे आगे वर्क करने की जरूरत है। फिलहाल जो 27% रिजर्वेशन की रिकमेंडेशन है ये वैलिड है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली, और 27% सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने इंप्लीमेंट किया और कई स्टेट ने किया। तमिलनाडु में 50% अकेले ओबीसी को है, टोटल वहां रिजर्वेशन 69% है। आंध्र प्रदेश में 62% रिजर्वेशन है। मध्य प्रदेश में 50% में यदि 13% और जोड़ दिया जाए तो 63% रिजर्वेशन है। ये एडिक्वेट रिजर्वेशन है 52% आबादी के लिए। तो मेरा निवेदन केवल इतना है सर कि जो 27% का कानून है वो माननीय हाई कोर्ट द्वारा, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा
उसका एक ही वो है, अब इसको फाइनल रिव्यू पे लगाते हैं।
सर मेरा निवेदन है
कोई
कि
क्लैरिफिकेशन या कोई ऑर्डर आएगा तो कोर्ट से मिल चाहिए।
सर तब तक के लिए इसको सब्जेक्ट टू फाइनल आउटकम ऑफ दी रेट पिटीशन इसको सर परमिट कर दें, तो जो होल्ड किए गए हैं
इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ 2 वीक्स ओनली,
जी।
विल सी
But could my lord,
नहीं,
just
इसमें-
have two orders in Pragya Sharma, Lord. I just wanted to point out two orders.
जस्ट विल सी ऑन दैट एजेंडा।
It might not, there in the meantime, my lord, that can happen. Therefore, I wanted.
Lord,
to
we have
point out.
filed recalling of those, my lord. We have already
I
filed.
will just see the orders, then my lord will consider whether they are required to be recalled. Lord, in Pragya Sharma,
13/7/2021 का सर ये ऑर्डर है।
4/4/2024.
एक सेकंड, लेट इट फाइट आउट। यस
4/4/24, my lord, for the first order. By your lordship. In Pragya Sharma.
यस
Lord, it read that issue notice to the respondents on payment, but I'm just skipping that part. Lord. The state is expected to file parawise reply, in particular disclose the names and merit ranking obtained by persons who find place in unoperated select list of unreserved and OBC category, each comprising 13% of the advertised vacancies. The merit ranking of petitioners be also disclosed. Return should also disclose in specific terms as to whether any candidate securing lower merit ranking than the petitioners have been appointed to fill up the 87% vacancies. Then, my lords, the state did not comply with this order, so my lord may have 16/7/20. The order of 16/7/20.
यस
Where your lordships quote this order of 4/4/24, and then my lord say, till date the said order has not been complied with.
4/4/20
4/4. Lord, 16/7/24 is the subsequent order that I.
order has not been complied.
Order has not been complied. Learned counsel for the petitioner presses hard for issuance of some directions in view of urgency involved in the case. Seeing the pathetic attitude of the respondent state in not complying with the order dated 4/4/24 till date, we deem it appropriate to grant one last opportunity to the respondent state subject to cost of rupees 50,000 to be deposited in the MP High Court Legal Services Authority Jabalpur by the next date of hearing. It is made clear that the respondent state may recover the amount of costs after fixing the responsibility of some erring officers who are derelicting in not complying with the order in fact. Now, my lord, that order remains uncomplied with till date.
Lord, we have filed application for seeking recall of that order, my lord. Initially, these orders were passed, my lord, in the light of pendency of Ashita Dubey's case, my lord, 5901, my lord. The matter was directed to be listed along with the bunch, my lord, and it could not be listed, my lord. It was listed solitary, my lord, before another bench, and this order came to be passed. Now, we have filed recalling on 2 counts, my lord. Firstly, my lord, that the matter was required to be listed before along with the bunch, my lord. In the first order itself, it was stated that it has to be listed before bunch, my lord. And secondly, my lord, the validity of the circular, my lord, what the honorable single judge passed an order initially, my lord, was, my lord, already decided by another order, my lord, which we have placed on record, which could not be brought to the knowledge of the court, and therefore that order was passed. So these two orders, my lord, are recalling application is already pending, my lord. What I pray, my lord, let these matters be posted in the second week of January, my lord. We will segregate the matters, my lord, and we will also try to get some orders from the Honorable Supreme Court. Let this be heard, my
My
lord.
lord, in fact, considered all the previous orders. in this order.
We got it.
Well, there is one prayer.
List the present
Well, may I just 1 minute. There is one prayer from our side, my lord. We are the candidates who have not challenged the validity of 27%. we are going ahead of that, that the state has formulated the formula that 14% would be, 87% would be the result now and 13% are on hold. We are the persons who are expecting us.
Sir, that is the opinion of the Advocate General.
Well,
So we'll fix for final.
we are only, we are praying only that the results.
Fix for final hearing at the motion stage. Oh,
What would it be after second week? We have to seek dates plot from the
20th January 2025.
20th of January.
20th January 2025.
My lord,
Who will file the charge distinguish the cases?
The state is best placed to
I'll do it.
my lord, मेरा
The respondent state shall file a charge of petitions in which the issue is same and similar. So,
my lord.
Lord, I'll file a classification chart, my lord, for legislation, against legislation, and this 13%. Three categories are there, my lord. One is supporting the legislation, one is opposing the legislation, and third one
is supporting legislation, another is opposing legislation.
and third one is challenging the holding of 13% vacancy.
Holding of 30%.
So I'll segregate these.
Yes.
My lord.
interim orders may kindly be considered.
Sorry?
Interim orders.
Interim order shall.
My lord, item number 17.83, my lord. This is the different from all, my lord. In this petition, my lord,
Which one?
17.83.
17.83.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, this is a public interest litigation, my lord. I have challenged the validity of the amendment providing 27% on the ground that this is too much less. In the legislation, government has stated that the population of OBC 27% that is why it has been given 27%. But on the affidavit, my lord, government has given on the affidavit that the population of OBC of the state is above the 50%. My lord, is 27% is too less.
Your petition is that one.
Yes, madam, this is why.
Right. So therefore, first we'll decide whether 27.
This will be delayed and
My lord.
notice may be issued.
Yes, sir.
My lord, resolution of the Ministry of Home Affairs, my
No,
lord, dated
Yes, sir.
13th September.
Then you want this your petition to be delinked from the matter.
My lord, इसी के साथ 27%
आप
I
कैसे
have.
चलेंगे?
सुनो पहले
I am seeking reply. I am seeking reply on this point, my lord.
सुनो इसमें एक तो ये चैलेंजिंग वाली कैटेगरी में आपका आ गया, आपने चैलेंज किया, एक ने चैलेंज किया, नहीं होना
मैं
चाहिए, आपने कहा इससे
मैं एक का चैलेंज करना है 27% ज्यादा है तो 14 किया जाए, हमारा कहना है 27
वो
में
एक- एक और
50% किया जाए, 50% जितना
सुनो।
पॉपुलेशन उतना दिया जाए।
साथ-
आई हैव चैलेंज ऑन
एक
दिस।
सेकंड, आपने जो प्रचार कर दिया एक ही पिटीशन है वो,
तो ये कहीं पिटीशन है।
तो चार कैटेगरी हो गई है, ठीक है। फोर्थ वन इज those who have challenged the legislation and demanding more than 20%.
नहीं, जनसंख्या के अनुपात में इन
Yes, more
प्रोपोर्शन
than 20% and in the ratio of the population of the OBC. Right?
गवर्नमेंट का कोई अभी तक जवाब नहीं आया है।
उसमें जवाब क्या आया उसमें एक तो इसमें फाइनल रिंग
नोटिस नहीं हुआ सर उसमें अभी तक,
किसमें
यही वाले सिर्फ लिंक हो गया और चल रहा।
आप अपीयर हो रहे हैं नोटिस
नहीं आज कर दीजिए नोटिस तो मैं रिप्लाई
इसमें चल नोटिस कर दो थोड़ा सा, एक दूसरा नहीं, इसमें रिप्लाई नहीं, इसमें रिटर्न सबमिट है। रिप्लाई क्या करना है इसमें?
नहीं
इसमें तो ऐसे ठीक है।
पंच में 84 तो देखा ही नहीं ना।
सॉरी,
It's 84 down below the bunch that I have not gone.
एडवांस काफी सारे यदि आप इसको अपन
But
देखें
Indira Sahni says that there is no correlation between the proportion of population and the percentage of reservation.
उसमें
अलग जो ऑर्बिटल डिक्टा और रेशियो बड़ा डिफरेंस।
17.83 में notice issued so to accept the notice on behalf of the respondent and seek time to file counter to the present petition. Lead will be done within 2 weeks. Rejoinder if any within 1 week thereafter, and least on the same day.
आइटम नंबर माय लॉर्ड, इसमें मैंने बताया कि भारत सरकार ने 1950 में जनसंख्या के अनुपात से
वो करेंगे,
देने का रेजोल्यूशन पास किया मैडम।
आने दो
और जो इंदिरा साहनी के केस में गवर्नमेंट ने ये बात नहीं रखी उस बात को कि जनसंख्या के अनुपात में रिजर्वेशन होता है।
रखी, वही तो इसी के लिए
बगैर कंसिडरेशन
इससे
के बाद
ज्यादा-
इंदिरा साहनी में आया।
आप नोटिस इश्यू चाह रहे हैं, नोटिस इश्यू हो गया, इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए?
यही क्या
बस हो गया, तो कर दिया है। इसके बाद भी फिर आप इंदिरा गांधी ये कर रहे हो, तो देखेंगे ना उस टाइम पे।
सर निवेदन
यस प्लीज
आइटम नंबर 17.75 and 17.76
सर। 17 पॉइंट
75
76
76.77
77 ऑल्सो
हाँ जी
75 76 77
78 79
78 79
9
हाँ
ये सब प्राथमिक टीचर रिक्रूटमेंट से संबंधित है।
राइट।
पूरी सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो गई। जो 4/8 का आदेश अभी बताया गया माननीय न्यायालय को, जबकि ये प्रोसेस है 2020 की। 4/8 का हवाला देकर के इनको कैंडिडेट्स को होल्ड कर दिया गया है। लगभग 275 कैंडिडेट है सर।
तो जिसमें प्रोसेस ऑलरेडी है
हाँ
एंड पुट ऑन होल्ड, यही है ना?
ये उस कैटेगरी में चला जाएगा।
तो
So listed
इसमें-
on Monday also, my lord.
इसमें मेरा-
My friend requested for listing with the bunch, my lord. This is also the matter wherein we have kept on hold, my lord, because of the 13%
नहीं
formula.
इसमें तो
So this will go in that category.
इशू वही घूम के
उसी
आ रहा है।
कैटेगरी में डाल देंगे। Round and round
एक
round.
सुनो, एक another for fifth category. Fifth category is where वो petition है 5th category, सब ये नहीं लिखना, ये अपने बनाए सर। 5th category is where the petitions have challenged holding 30%. No, the holding the selection process, right?
नहीं सर सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो चुकी, केवल अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर जारी नहीं किया।
Holding 30% of the seat, right?
जी।
13% of the seats of only
प्राइमरी टीचर
primary teacher of OBCs, not of general,
यस
right?
General
both the categories.
Both the categories. So this is covered under that category.
नो सर
सर
एक भी
सर पोस्ट वाला कर दे, जिसमें होल्डिंग द पोस्ट ऑफ टीचर्स, ये सब टीचर्स की है।
ये टीचर्स है सर।
That is the same category which was allowed already.
ये सुनो, ये जो 17.75 76 77 78 ये सब टीचर्स है।
हाँ
ये
टीचर
टीचर।
हाँ तो टीचर्स का है।
केवल ओबीसी के टीचर है। यदि जनरल वालों को होल्ड किया होता तो पिटीशन होती सर। किसी को भी होल्ड नहीं,
लिस्ट बनाई है,
केवल
तेरह-
ओबीसी के लिए होल्ड किया है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एरोनियस ओपिनियन। 10/8 को अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर जारी होना थे सर, लेकिन अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर जारी ना किए। 29/9/2023 को डीपीआई ने महाधिवक्ता कार्यालय को पत्र लिखा। महाधिवक्ता कार्यालय से 3/10/2023 को अभिमत गया कि प्रॉस्पेक्टिव रहेगा, लेकिन इनने इनको रिट्रांसपेक्टिव करके होल्ड कर दिया।
ये होगी फिफ्थ कैटेगरी, राइट?
But there's another matter.
नेक्स्ट
But there's another matter.
My lord.
Let's-
Item number 17. My lord is 7.75, my lord.
सॉरी,
My lord, point number 7, my lord.
एक जना बोलो पहले।
17.37.
17.37
मैंने टीचर रिक्रूटमेंट को लेकर के,
सॉरी
टीचर भर्ती को लेकर के,
ये
इसमें जितने भी पिटिशनर हैं इनका इशू खत्म हो चुका है, सारे पॉइंट हो चुके हैं, और इसमें इंट्रीम ऑर्डर की वजह से जो है शिक्षकों की भर्ती नहीं हो पा रही है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो इशू जो अपॉइंटमेंट इनका ऑर्डर हो चुका है, सब नियुक्ति आदेश पा चुके हैं, तो ये पिटिशन खत्म किया जाए। इसमें जो भी इंट्रीम ऑर्डर को
ये पिटीशन को विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, मेरा मैं
This fact is absolutely wrong.
इसमें
I'll file an affidavit.
आप
by the due to interim order of this court, my lord, in this case, the intervener has not been appointed.
anyway wait for that because issue
My lord, make a humble submission.
issue is same, no different anyway.
My lord, जो petitioner है उनका issue
It is for our convenience, this we have given the to file a chart categorizing the bidders. Otherwise, if you say once the issue is decided, everything will be decided. That's all.
My lord, may I make a humble submission? My lord, in 17.75, my lord, I am seeking intervention application, your lordship. I am filing this application for intervention, your lordship. That related to the high school teacher, your lordship. My lord.
तो उसमें क्या पिटीशन ऑलरेडी फाइल करके आप इंटरवेंशन का क्या करोगे?
My lord, because
आपको फाइल करने आप भी पिटीशन फाइल कीजिए, एक और ऐड हो
we
जाएगी।
are
इंटरवेंशन क्या है? आपका भी इश्यू सेम है ना?
my lord.
तो वदन व्हाई इंटरवेंशन अननेसेसरी? Sorry,
Regarding
next
that
matter.
petition,
Just one submission. But classification in respect of these 86 cases, Lord, I'll prepare, Lord. Because every day my friends are getting matters tagged, Lord, so that will be unending. So I, in respect of these 86
These
cases.
only.
My-
Lords,
My lord.
Counsel for the petitioners are less, counsel for interveners are increasing every day, man. On a lighter side.
Lord, 17.
My lord, इस केस की सुनवाई
This case of lawyers are more and more, this side is lesser. So let them add what is the.
Lord, I am mentioning
You don't want competition. So then.
Lord,
माय लॉर्ड कई बार इस केस की सुनवाई हुई है, लेकिन डिफरेंट बेंच में डिफरेंट योर लॉर्डशिप के कारण ये अधूरी सुनवाई होकर के और जो अगले आने वाले साहब थे उनके लिए मतलब फिर से आर्गुमेंट करना नेसेसरी हो गया।
ये तो होता ही है।
तो
हमेशा होता है।
माय लॉर्ड
इसमें कोई
निवेदन ये है कि इसको जो लॉन्ग डेट दी गई है इसको शॉर्ट कर दिया जाए और डे बाय डे हियरिंग की व्यवस्था कर दी जाए ताकि योर लॉर्डशिप।
सुनिए मेरी बात। अभी दिसंबर
जी
बचा कितना है?
Vacation.
नंबर 1 दिसंबर ही छोड़ के जनवरी में डेट लगा दी, इससे ज्यादा क्या
तो
चाहिए?
माय लॉर्ड दिसंबर भी पर्याप्त है क्योंकि सब एडवोकेट्स आर ऑल द एडवोकेट्स आर रेडी टू आर्गू,
ठीक है।
सभी पहले से तैयारी कर
That's
चुके हैं।
all.
Lord, I am mentioning, Lords,